ECKey EK2 can be used to unlock doors, open gates, or disarm alarms using your Bluetooth phone upon entering a PIN. In this demonstration, we will connect the EK2 to an electric strike as a virtual keypad. We have an ECKey EK2 12-volt DC power supply and a fail-secure electric strike. Connect the ground from the power supply and the black EK2 wire to the ground of the electric strike. The default range is 6 feet. For the maximum range of 30 feet, connect the purple wire to the ground as well. Then, connect the EK2 yellow and red wires to the positive of the power supply and the EK2 brown wire to the positive of the electric strike. When connected, it should look like this. On your phone, turn Bluetooth on and make Bluetooth discoverable or visible to all. Consult your phone's manual or the support section of www.ECKey.com on how to do this. Connect the power, and the blue administration light will flash 4 times. The strike will remain locked. ECKey EK2 will now search for your phone. The administration light will flash quickly when requesting a PIN on the phone. When prompted on the phone, enter the 4-digit PIN printed on your manual, and the strike will unlock for 5 seconds before locking again. You can also change the PIN from the default value using your phone. First, change the Bluetooth name of your phone to the value of the new PIN. 4 digits is recommended. Unlock the door as normal using the old PIN, and while unlocked, press and hold the administration button for 10 seconds until the administration light turns off and then starts flashing. Release the button, and when prompted on the phone, enter the 8-digit administration PIN printed on the back of your manual. The administration light will be solid for 5 seconds to confirm the PIN has been updated to the Bluetooth name of the phone. Other connection options are shown on the manual included with the EK2. Advanced features such as different relay times, hands-free access, time control, user administration, audit trail, and connectivity to access control systems are available from other products in our range. Welcome to the new age in home security. No more fumbling around. Get in or out quickly and securely with ECKey. Check out our website at www.ECKey.com for your nearest ECKey installer now.